Hey guys, what's up? Hi, hello. If you're new to this channel, then hi, I'm Revati. I'm a part-time YouTuber and a full-time dentist. I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle, and also love vlogging. And today is a vlog. So today I'm finally, like literally finally moving to my new house. And I've been waiting for this moment since such a long time. So today's vlog is all about the moving. So if you're interested, keep watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before moving on to the video. Go hit that red colored subscribe button now and it would mean the world to me. So please go and hit that red colored subscribe button. And yeah, now let's move on to the video. So guys, it's 5:30 in the morning right now and I got up I guess at 4 बजे उठी या 3 बजे आई डोंट नो. मेरी नींद बस खुल गई तो मैं उठ गई. तो अभी मैं उठ गई तो now I'm gonna have a glass of lukewarm water and then I'm gonna make some breakfast and then I'm gonna start with packing because today is gonna be a really long day. मतलब बहुत लंबा दिन रहने वाला है. And yeah, and आप देख सकते हो मेरी like my skin is breaking out too bad. I mean look at this. I feel really bad यार. मतलब मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है 3-5 कितने दिन में आज 25th है. हाँ, so my birthday is coming in 4 days and my skin looks pathetic. So anyways, but that's not the topic of this video. So yeah, there's a lot of mess in my house. I'll just show you. Like look at this. Then this is whole a mess. Like whoa, now we've got to clear up everything literally. So yeah, अभी पहले गर्म पानी पी लेती हूँ यार. एंड मैंने कुछ ठीक से खा नहीं लिया. एक्चुअली कल मैंने परसों वैक्सीन लिया था तो कल मेरी हालत एकदम टाइट थी. मुझे बुखार एंड ऑल आ गया एंड मेरा लेफ्ट हैंड भी बहुत दुख रहा है. आर्म दुख रहा है. एक्चुअली हैंड भी दुख रहा है एंड मेरा लेफ्ट साइड का बैक भी बहुत हर्ट कर रहा है. इट वॉज एक्चुअली पेनिंग बिफोर ओनली. तो पता नहीं अभी वो वैक्सीन की वजह से और दुख रहा है कि क्या. बट एनीवेज, yesterday was a very bad day for me and yesterday was supposed to be a good day because I was gonna say goodbye to my friends at my work because I finally stopped COVID center is going on a snooze mode for now. So yeah, so that's the end of an era. I'm gonna miss everyone at my workplace and I think I'm blabbering too much, but whatever. If you're interested, then keep listening to my blabbering. These are all just life updates, mini life updates, not something huge. So yeah. So anyways, कल का दिन तो बहुत ही बेकार था. कल मैंने पैकिंग कर ली होती बट anyways अभी मैं आज कर लेती हूँ. nevertheless right, आज इतना भी कुछ सामान नहीं है जो हो नहीं पाएगा. तो अभी चलो आज के दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं. Almost 2:15 and we are still packing. The packing hasn't been done yet and I am so starving. Like I'm literally hungry. I had my breakfast in the morning and ever since I had my breakfast we are just packing. At least I'm not really packing. Obviously the guys are packing, but anyways I have to stand there continuous to keep a watch on them. So that's been quite energy taking or whatever. So मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ यार. I'm really tired and the fact that I have to organize all of this shit is giving me anxiety कि ये सब मेरे को सब organize करना है. And I am like when it comes to organization I'm like Monica clean. I mean मुझे सब I need it to be perfect. So that's why it's even going to be more crazy for me to get all this stuff, like all of this stuff organized. And yeah, I thought I'll get it done everything. Like I'll get everything done by today, but by the looks of it, I don't think I'll be able to get it done even half of it today because I mean we've not even moved all of the stuff. So let alone me organizing stuff, and I haven't had lunch. Neither has my mom. So yeah. So I'm gonna see how long does it takes for all of this to move there to my new apartment, and until then all I can do is just stand and watch and just observe and just take care of my stuff, because you can see nobody's standing here, so I have to actually just stand here and take care. My mom had to go to the washroom, so she went up, and actually she's been standing down. I just came till she takes the washroom break, so yeah.
3,000 years later.
Guys, it's almost 2 days after. It's the third day in my new house. So basically, what I was gonna say, yeah. So after the day, like the last clip, you must have seen me moving. So after that, that day I went to sleep, because to get all my stuff back to this house and all of that, it took almost, like, I guess it took 8 o'clock or something like that. And even after that, I actually organized a little bit of my wardrobe, but I did not feel like filming it because I was so frustrated with the whole house. Like, my house was in a mess, and I wish I would have recorded it, but I don't want to show my house completely in my videos, so that's the reason I did not actually record it. And you're gonna see me mostly talking and filming in this in this room, so you'll see this background, so get used to this background. So that's the reason I did not take a glimpse of my mess. The house was in such a mess that I got irritated, and I'm someone who likes cleanliness and likes things in a particular way. Like, I'm really particular about all of that stuff, so it kind of pisses me off when there's mess and there's uncleanliness and all of that. So that's that. So after that, the next day, I again cleaned my house, and then we did a bit of organization. We did a little bit of organizing, and my wardrobe is actually organized almost. Yeah, it is organized, not almost. I'll tell you why. Because I don't know, wait, I'll show you guys. So there are these bags, there are 3 more of these bags, and I have to empty my stuff from them. But since there's a little bit of furniture work still left, I can't do that, because then it'll create more mess. So it's a whole lot of mess, so that's why I'm not going to empty them. So my wardrobe is 70% organized, and my mom's also, I guess I want to say 60% organized. And then there was yesterday, that was the second day, and today's the third day. So yesterday I did not do anything. I don't know, I had a bad headache the whole day. I was like, oh my god, I'm feeling sick and sick and sick. I don't know why. I was just having a bad headache throughout the day, and I was low on energy. I slept like a baby the day before that, like in the night, but I felt that I'll get most of the shit done by yesterday, but I did not. So now it's, I guess, 9:30 or something, so I'm gonna have my 1 glass of lukewarm water, and I'll have my breakfast, and then I'm gonna do the little bit the remaining cleaning and all of that. So that's what has happened in the past 2 days, and still my house is not a mess like as compared to the first day we came in this house. So I'll tell you, the house, literally we did not have a place to stand. इतना मतलब जगह भी नहीं थी घर में, इतना सारा सामान और इतना सारा कचरा था, तो आप उससे समझ सकते हो कि कितना सामान था. So and abhi we can move freely, and yeah, there's a lot of space now in the house. Like, compared to that, definitely a lot of space, and there will be a lot of space more once we clear out completely everything and organize everything in its place. So yeah. So I am sorry that I did not do a good job at showing you guys my complete, moving process. But yeah, it is what it is. Now I'm going to show you a glimpse of the remaining thing. And I'll show you the house, but I'll show you the floors in which the mess is, on which the mess is. So now this is all my mom's and my stuff basically. And then that's the stuff we got from IKEA. I don't know about what all I got from IKEA. It's been 2 to 3 months we got stuff from IKEA, so I don't even remember kya laya tha. But watch my IKEA vlog if you haven't already. Then I've kept this table away, but whatever. Then this is there. Then I told you I have more 3 bags. So yeah, those are those bags. And I'm not going to show you completely everything because I'm going to do a studio tour, so you will see. So now let's go. Now this is my part of my bedroom, which I have to sort. My whole this is my closet, but this is organized as I've told you already. And now there's the, you know, I told you there's some furniture stuff still left. So because of that, then this bed will come here, and there's a headboard that's going to come over here. So that's the whole situation. So that's why the bed is shifted, you know, aage, and then yeah, it's still congested. But anyways, now today I'm gonna get this shit done, like clear out this, which will take hardly, you know, 1 hour. Then coming to my mom's bedroom situation is this, as you can see. Yeah, and then my mom's bed has also to, like, the furniture thing has to be done again. And in the balconies there's more stuff again. I'll show you the kitchen and the hall, like roughly I'll show you. The kitchen is clean as hell. And talking about the hall, well, this is some stuff, this I have to return. Then in the balcony there is a lot of stuff that has to be organized, by the way, you guys. I told you about the bags, right? So there's that bag, then there is that, you know, these are the two, you know, things in which me and my mom keep our night suits and all of that. So that's that. And yeah, I'll show you this. This is again our jewelry and makeup and stuff. So we have to organize this as well. So this is all that is left for organizing, which seems little but is a lot, frankly. So now I've showed you all of the things that are remaining to be organized. So yeah, so it's gonna take, I guess, more 2-3 days. But till the beds are made, we can't do anything like the complete organizing part. So yeah, that it is what it is. So yeah, that is it for my, you know, moving process, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I mean, I tried to make it fun, but obviously moving process is not at all fun. This is the first time that I went through a moving process, and I kid you not, guys, it's not at all a joke. It's not at all fun. It's so tiring and so nerve-wracking and so irritating and so annoying, and like so much of energy goes in moving. So, and you have to get all your shit done. So it is a hectic part, you know, hectic part of moving is a hectic part basically. And now that I think that people who live on rent, I'm sure like it must be a one hell of a ride, you know, moving their stuff back and forth again and again. I mean, I do feel how bad I feel bad for them now, thinking that they have to do it now and again, every now and then, you know. So yeah, I feel bad. I just feel bad, guys. I feel bad. I mean, it's not a good thing. I mean, it is a crazy thing to move and to shift. It is. And adulting is not easy. That's one thing I realized for sure. So yeah, that is what it is. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the red colored subscribe button, and I'll see you soon in my next video. But before that, please go and hit the subscribe button, and also there's a bell, you know, icon right beside it. Hit on that, tap on it, so that you'll get notified every time I post a new video. And until then, stay safe, take care, and I love you. Mwah. Bye bye.